Top 15 game development project ideas. 1. Multiplayer Battle Arena, MOBA. Game. Create a multiplayer online battle arena game where players control unique characters with distinct abilities, battling it out in teams. 2. Virtual Reality Escape Room. Develop an immersive escape room experience in virtual reality, where players solve puzzles and uncover clues to escape within a time limit. 3. Racing Simulator. Design a realistic racing simulator game with customizable cars, tracks, and weather conditions, offering players an authentic racing experience. 4. Tower Defense Game. Build a tower defense game where players strategically place defensive towers to protect their base from waves of enemies, each with different strengths and weaknesses. 5. Augmented Reality Treasure Hunt. Develop an augmented reality treasure hunt game where players explore real-world locations to uncover hidden treasures using their mobile devices. 6. Educational Game for Kids. Create an educational game targeted at children to teach them various subjects like math, science, history, or language in a fun and interactive way. 7. Survival Horror Game. Design a survival horror game set in a dark and eerie environment, challenging players to navigate through dangerous scenarios while facing terrifying creatures. 8. Open World Exploration Game. Develop an open-world exploration game with vast landscapes, diverse ecosystems, and dynamic weather systems, allowing players to discover hidden secrets and complete quests. 9. Puzzle Platformer Game. Build a puzzle platformer game where players solve intricate puzzles and overcome obstacles to progress through levels and reach the end goal. 10. City Building Simulation. Create a city-building simulation game where players manage resources, plan infrastructure, and govern their own virtual cities, striving for growth and prosperity. 11. Real-Time Strategy, RTS. Game. Develop a real-time strategy game where players build and command armies to conquer territories, engage in epic battles, and outwit their opponents. 12. Music Rhythm Game. Design a music rhythm game where players synchronize their actions with the beat of the music, challenging their reflexes and coordination skills. 13. Text-based adventure game. Build a text-based adventure game reminiscent of classic interactive fiction, where players make choices that shape the outcome of the story. 14. Sports simulation game. Create a sports simulation game that accurately recreates the gameplay and atmosphere of popular sports like soccer, basketball, or tennis, offering both single-player and multiplayer modes. 15. Space Exploration Sandbox. Develop a sandbox game set in space where players can build and customize their own spacecraft, explore distant planets, and engage in interstellar adventures.